Hello, my name is Robert Gleason, and today I'm going to show you how to make a video game with JavaScript in 10 minutes. And first, in the link in the YouTube description, there's a link to my GitHub where it shows the code to this game. And this is the code for the game on GitHub. And GitHub is a code repository where programmers keep their code, and they can share with other programmers, and they can even build upon each other's code and collaborate. Then you'll need to go to code, and you'll need to go to download zip. And I'm about to show the final form of the video game. Download zip. Inside the folder should be the spacerocks.html. This is the file with the code. And then you can look at the file by right-clicking it and clicking on text edit. For those with Microsoft software, the program to open it up with would be Notepad. So open up a Notepad. And if you're using a Mac right now, then make sure that you go to text. If you're using a Macintosh, make sure you go to text edit, you go to preferences, and make sure that it's on plain text, and that it's clicked on display HTML files as HTML, and then get out of it, and then get into text edit again. But if you're using Microsoft software, then you can just use Notepad, and you don't have to make changes to preferences. So when you open up a Notepad, here's the code. This is the code to the game we're about to make. And then and this is the file. This is an HTML file. This is like a website. This is the file that websites are made out of. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And this is opened up in Notepad, but you can also open it up on a web browser, and then it'll show it as a website. So you take this, you can open it up on Google Chrome or Firefox or any web browser that you like. And here's the game. So here's the game in the web browser, and here's the actual code behind the game that we're looking at in the text editor. And what we do in this text editor changes how this will be seen in the game. So we can go to the text, we can go to the code, and we can click on, here's the function to create spaceship, and we can change it from gray to blue. So we go in the text edit and we change this to blue. And this is the spaceship that we're creating. And then we go to save, we do file, save on this. Then we go back to here, and then we reload it, and the spaceship should be blue. There we go. And this is the final game that we'll be making.